So it's that time of week again. Yeah, we're working on Hellboy. And here he is here, one of my figures of him, which I love. And that's what we're working on right now, is that massive right hand of Doom. Yeah, he's amongst all my other vintage toys. Look at all those Joes. Okay, it's week 2. I try to do this like on Fridays after work. I'll come in and take a look and see what needs to be done. And I wanted to show you too, another great tool to have in your cosplay arsenal is the Dremel. Yeah, I recommend this to any cosplayer. I'm sure most of you that I know do have one. This is great for just about anything because you have different types of attachments. I got tons more up here of attachments for the Dremel, but I'm going to use this to Dremel this down. And then also, let me show you this as well. And this attachment here will be great for the carvings to here to carve in the actual designs I want that are on the right hand of Doom. You know, the little curves, the little runes that he has in the actual carvings of the stone. And then of course we've got our heat gun, which we'll take out of there and start really making this look good. All right guys, I'm gonna start on it and I'll show you what I get when I'm done. So what I've been doing with the Dremel is rounding the edges off, all that. Also in here too, slowly but surely. You see down there, it's being rounded off. So give it more, it's getting more and more of that stone look. Like here, I'll use the Dremel, kind of show you real quick. And I'll do this here, kind of like that. Yeah. So I'll do a hardcore. I've got to use 2 hands for this. So of course you're not going to see me be able to dig into it. But there you go. Okay, I want to bring it out here, kind of give you a look at what we're doing. And you'll see where I've put indentions and stuff like that into the EVA foam. But the cool thing is, once you start using the hot gun, the hot air gun, it will start to make this look more like stone. It'll blend it in really nicely, but we're getting there. And yeah, just wanted to show you step by step what we're doing. That was all done by the Dremel. And I noticed also on the right hand of Doom, there's like this right here, these side areas are separated. So they have like separate stones surrounding the edges. So we're going to cut in those too and make them look like separate stones attached to it. Okay, as you can see how filthy I am. But no, see where I cut into the stone now to separate the pieces, to divide those. So again, once I use the heat gun, it's really going to blend that together really nicely. So now it is time to apply the heat gun and start blending this all in. It should look really cool. So I'll show you my results when I'm done. And there you go. Apply the heat gun. Of course, the next step, there's some of the designs in there. Can't really see them that well because they're blended in. But once I paint it and use the dry brush for the red, it's going to pop out. So there you go. So it's coming along. And it's coming together. It's going to look great once it's all done. Just want to give you an update and show you there. I mean, I applied the heck out of that heat gun too. And I remelted some of the glue. Again, no big deal. Once everything's painted, it'll blend in really nice. But there you go. There's that stone look coming together. All right, guys. So join me for the next update on the right hand of Doom. We'll start working on the actual hand. Take care. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye. Oh, real quick, I did add the first layer of Plasti Dip. Yeah, it's drying right now. It's kind of got the glossy look, but once it dries, it'll get all flat looking. But it's settling right now. Yeah, we'll probably do about 2 layers, and then we'll dry brush the red.